All right, we got to do some maintenance on this Vyper. The cable retention for the heated bed, this is one I printed off of Thingiverse. It broke. I'd much rather have this break than the hot bed become unsoldered or whatever. Here you can see where the part broke. Here's the new red one. I will provide the Thingiverse number for this. Now, the little nut on the back side of this is a 5.5 millimeter. You have to get that bed pulled you got to get your printer, turn your printer all the way around. Get the bed pulled all the way back so you can get those two little nuts loose. Slide it in, tighten it up, and I mean make it snug. And get that nice and snug. Make sure that you replace the zip tie from the original, and then don't forget the obligatory zip tie around the end, just to make sure. I mean, I've never had them come loose, but I'm like, you know what, for the video, I'm going to put a zip tie in there. And here's the Thingiverse number so that you can get this printed off and so that you can make sure that your hotbed doesn't fail.